Hello guys, in this session I will try to configure ADFS authentication in SharePoint 16. I have these three virtual machines. This is domain controller DC, this is my SharePoint 2016, and this is ADFS Active Directory Federation Service 40. Create HTTPS web app in SharePoint. Go to the central administration. Go to manage web application, create new. Okay, I am going to write name, trusted identity provider. We have to create in HTTPS, so 443 there is no trusted identity provider, and URL should be HTTPS sp16 server name .ab.local is domain name. Okay, review again, that's fine. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, web application is created. Now create site collection. Title provider, this root, username, fine, and HTTPS. Okay, click OK. Site is created. Try to access. Okay, it says this page can't be displayed, so configure from IAS. Go to IAS here, create one self-signed certificate, sp16 web app. Okay, go to sites. So this is our site, bindings. Okay, click here. So it is this type is HTTP, so we cannot browse through the HTTPS. Just change the port. Okay, add HTTPS port 443 and certificate, this one we just created. Click OK and remove this one. Yes, now this is our site, and started. Try to browse now. This is my credential, working on it. Okay, this is ADFS trusted identity provider. We have created certificate and web application, and install Active Directory Certificate Service ADCS in domain controller. Okay, these are dependencies. Next certification authority and certification authority web enrollment. Next, install. Yeah, Active Directory certificate service is installed. From now we have to do post installation task. Okay, credential fine. This is domain admin, certificate authority and certificate authority web enrollment. Next, enterprise CA, root CA, create new private key. Fine, just leave the default. This is cryptography. Next, 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 configure. Okay, configuration succeed. So ADCS and certification authority. This is my certification authority. Go to certificate templates and manage. Select your web server certificate, duplicate template, general, ADFS communication service, ADFS security, authenticated user enroll, SharePoint admin, domain admin, and okay, fine. Okay, close. Here, new certificate template to issue. Select just created certificate. Okay, it should be here. Now open management console. See that? Yes. File. Add remove snap in. Select certificates. Add computer account. Next. Finish. Okay. Here is personal certificates. So all tasks, request new certificates, new Active Directory enrollment policy. Next, select just created certificate. Click here. Command name adfs.av.local 8 and general friendly name ADFS communication service private key. Click on key option and check make private key portable. Apply. Okay, now click on enroll. Finish. This one is okay. Detail, copy to file. Next, yes, export the private key. Next, group users. This is my domain admin. Fine. Next, browse. I'll keep in desktop. ADFS communication service. Save. Next, finish. Okay. Now go to the ADFS server. Configure ADFS service. Add roles and features. Next. Yeah, this is my server. Next, Active Directory Federation service. Next, these are the dependencies. Fine. Next, install. Okay. ADFS installation is succeeded. Now we have to configure post configuration. Click next. This my current user is domain admin, so that's fine. Next. Okay, now we have to provide the SSL certificate. This one, open. Yes. So Frontend service display name, SharePoint, token issuer. Next, specify service account. This one, select, check names. Okay, provide password. Next, create internal database. Next, this is our selection summary. Next, and configure. This server was successfully configured. Okay, close, and now open ADFS management tool. What call it name? Okay, ADFS management only.